Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and check it out. I have the Spellbinders Christmas card making kit. I'm so excited. I'm so glad that they're still doing this because as you may know, Spellbinders used to have a card making kit which kind of adapted form over time, but they always did a like a supersized version of their original card making kit for the holidays. And so when they stopped offering the card making kit as a club, I did wonder whether we would see another one of these, and I'm very happy that we have one. So I'm going to do an unboxing just so that you can see what all is in this and see if it's for you. I love a bit of Christmas in July, so let's dive in. Now, what I have in the box is a combination of things because it's the card kit itself, what you get in the box, but as well, there are some additional like optional add-ons that you can get a la carte, which is the same as I think what last year's offering was. So we have the name of the kit is Handmade Holidays, and there are 13 A2 size cards and 12 5x7 cards. So I really love that they offer both, and they've done this in the past too. But I do like that they are giving us both sizes because especially for the holidays, sometimes it's nice to, go a little bit bigger, get yourself onto that mantle. So if you watch my channel before, you know that especially during the holidays, I really strive for what I call mantle worthy cards because mantle space, it's luxury, that it's limited, and so to make it on somebody's mantle is a high honor indeed. So then we have so here are our card bases, and they do come with their coordinating envelopes. So we have those. And then we have, as per usual, our adhesive. So you get a roll of double-sided adhesive tape and two kind of these blocks of foam squares. Then let's see, we have, look at this generous paper pack. So this is 18 sheets of cardstock. 14 colored cardstock. Ooh, nice. 2 gold and 2 silver foil. Oh, that's lovely. I love that. Thank you. Spellbinders, because that's one of the things I really missed about their card making kit, because there was always a sheet of gold mirror foil card. Now I have to buy my own. Because I used to just rely on that steady influx of, you get a sheet of foil paper, and it was awesome. Let's see, so then moving on along to more paper, we do have a 6x6 paper pad, and so as per usual, there are 40 sheets and 20 designs. So for each design, you do get 2 of each, and if history prevails, they are going to be single-sided and probably more in the realm of like a paper as opposed to a cardstock. Yeah, this is pretty. Well, let's do a quick flip through. So some of them, even though it's thin and it's slightly nicer paper actually than it's slightly thicker paper than what they've had in the past. Oh, this is nice. It's really smooth. Yeah, this is nice. The quality, that's a pretty one. Look at that. I'm surprised. This is it's got that silky feeling, like when you have those business cards that are like super fancy. It kind of reminds me of that. So 20 unique designs, and that's pretty. I like that. And really lovely colors. Kind of have a little bit of the traditional, I think it's leaning more towards the traditional colors. Oh, I love that. You know, I love typography. This is gorgeous too. It's a very watercolor feeling. Really, really great. And and a nice soft palette too. So lovely. I think we're repeating. So really, really awesome. I like that there's a little bit of that kind of a peachy pink color mixed in there too, so that's kind of nice. And then we have die cut shapes. Oh, interesting. So there's die cut shapes and die cut floral shapes. So let's see if we, okay, so these are the florals. So you have a pack of just florals and then a pack of everything else. And if I remember in the past, the way they did this was, I think there was one die cut pack that was sentiments, and then the other was more, you know, your focal image, you know, things that you could collage up. But it seems like it's a little bit different where in this one we do have some sentiments, so it's not all sentiments, but it's a mix of things and then the second one is all florals. So I think that'll be fun to craft with, so that'll be interesting. Then we've got chipboard embellishments, cardstock stickers, and puffy stickers as well. So let's check that out. So this feels like it's going to be our chipboard embellishment because it's got some thickness to it. And there's 2 sheets of that. Then here are puffy stickers are these right here. So these are the sentiments, some puffy sticker sentiments. And then this is, I believe these will be our cardstock stickers, which, let's see when they say cardstock. Let's see how thick this really is. Does this really feel like cardstock? Yeah. It's like a 65-pound cardstock, so yeah, I think that's fair. I like these postage stamps with the gold foil around them. That's really nice. So I think these will be fun. If you want them to be more chipboard, like you can always just, they're stickers, so you can peel and stick it onto some lightweight chipboard if you really wanted that extra thickness. So so that's always an option. And then we're not done yet. These are lovely. We have some gemstones. I feel like Spellbinders sometimes, so okay, the Spellbinders ones, like I have a pack here. These are a good size. I mean, the largest one, I feel like they've domed it too high and it's too pointy. I think this put through an envelope, it could pierce the envelope. These I think are more flat, but they're very, very dimensional. I feel like gemstones are hard in that way because they are faceted, and for it to have that nice faceted look, especially, you know, maybe as you get bigger, it needs to be of a certain height. But I always worry when I put these through the mail, you know, what's gonna happen? Is it just gonna poke right through? And I guess, you know, in that case you would have to start putting some protective stuff on top of your card, which for the holidays maybe it's worth doing, but I feel like you would have to take some extra precautions if you're going to use gemstones that large. And then we have a packet of sequins. I love this color. I don't understand what it has to do with this kit though. But I love the color because I love blue. This is gorgeous, but it makes so little sense with this is such a traditional color palette of Christmas. It's not like a wintry Christmas. This is a very traditional red and green Christmas. Red, green, and gold. So what is this? There's some blues here, you know, like a very deep teal, but this is bright. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna use these on any of the cards I make using this kit, but I will use these because I love the color. I don't think they have any business in this kit. That's just me being honest. Spellbinders did send this to me because I am an influencer, but but I love it. I'm not saying I hate it. I just am saying I'm not sure what I don't see how it ties into this. I'm not a good enough crafter to make that work. Oh, but you know what? Um, we did Also Inspired only just a couple days ago, and Sherry Gilson's card, it really struck me because it was so like striking and bold, the colors, and she used like a not quite like a more bluey kind of teal, but it was like a very like a turquoisey teal with red. And you can see right here putting those two together, it was a very lovely combination. It was beautiful. So I like this combination. It's just that when you put it in context of everything else here, okay, I should take it as a challenge. I should use it and embrace it and find a way. So don't let me off the hook, folks. Okay, so here we have. I'm so happy to see a stamp set included because that's. I mean, in the past, I think we had a stamp and a die set, but at least we have the stamp set, and it is a lot of sentiments, which I love. I love because look at how like they've mixed the fonts in some of these, and that's my favorite thing whenever stamp designers do that mix of fonts where you have like a bold font with a more lightweight font, or you have a serif font with a sans serif font, or something that's blocky with something that's scripty. Love it. I love the that contrast, that juxtaposition, and then you have this really a nice corner piece here, so you could stamp this in four corners and build a little bit of a frame, and then you've got some little snowflakes as well. So that's the kit. That's the proper kit itself. And then besides that, now I don't have these in retail packaging, so bear with. Um, but there is a better press plate which has gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, it might be a little bit hard to appreciate the design, but it's a lovely all over floral. So I think this is going to be really beautiful. Great, I think, for any season because these are roses. So I think that's going to be really lovely. Then we have, they did this last year too, so I'm really glad to see this again. There's a small die set with sentiments on a wavy banner, so I love that. And with this, coordinating with the Better Press plate is a set of stencils that will allow you to color in the various aspects of this design. So that's really lovely. And then there is a die set which I just have in its baggy form, but this is a sled with, it looks like some presents and maybe some winter foliage, poinsettia. I can see that. I spotted the word Noel as a debossing plate. So really lovely. This is kind of a look at the detail on the sled, that design. I think that's going to be really fun to craft with. So those are your kind of a la carte optional add-ons that you can get. They don't come with the kit, but it's quite possible Spellbinders will offer it as like a huge bundle, the box kit and the add-ons. But I'm excited. I can't wait to craft with these goodies, and and I will endeavor to use that with these kit contents. So thanks for checking out my unboxing. I will leave links to everything in the description box below. And until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.